how to use Snapchat for the very first time, step by step. So first of all, simply go to your app store and make sure to download Snapchat. After doing that, you can now simply open Snapchat in here. Then you'll see the option of login or sign up. You'll need to tap on sign up in order to create your own account. Just like this, you'll get to this particular page where you need to write your first name and your last name, which is optional, and then you can tap on the agree and continue option. Then after doing that, it will take you the further process of how you can create your account. After creating your account, you can simply get logged in just like this, and in here you can see there are a lot of features that you can use on Snapchat. We have the filter and effect option. You can swipe to left and see a lot of filters in here. If you tap on this face-like icon right here, you'll be able to see all of the effects. If you tap on the search icon, now you can search for your favorite effects in here. So in here we also have all of these options. So this one's the flipping camera, you can see. This one's for the flash, this one's for the sound. If you tap on it, you can now choose a trending songs, or you can choose your favorite songs in order to add into your video or photo. We have the option of hand-free, you can do that. We have HD mode, we have night mode, multi-snap. If you tap on that one, you can now click your multiple snaps in order to send to your friends or story. We have dual camera, timer, speed, and video stability. We also have a green screen in here. You can see you can now select any of the photo just like this and simply create a green screen effect. So in here we also have the other options. I'm going to disable this one for now. For the last one, we have the grid option. If you tap on that one, now you can create a grid to your camera so that it would be a lot more easier for you to capture any kind of photos or videos. So in here, if you ever want to add your friends, what you can do is simply tap on this icon right here, and in here you will get to see all of your friends that wants to add you, or you can simply search for your friend's username and add them like that. So in here, if you ever want to simply send a snap to a friend, you can simply tap on the circle right here and simply tap on send to, just like this, and simply tap on your friends, then tap on the send icon again and send a snap to your friends just like this. So this was the step-by-step guide on how you can use Snapchat for the very first time, and that's it.